Grocery shopping is a universal experience, but not all supermarket destinations are created equal. In Ireland, the grocery retail landscape is more varied than it looks at first glance, offering a unique blend of deep discounters, mid-tier community-focused shops, and premium food markets.
Today, we're diving into the world of Irish supermarkets and convenience stores. These locations are characterized by how much the experience varies by region, meaning no single chain is right for every need. However, it's important to remember that shopping experiences are subjective. What might be a delight for one person could be a frustrating moment at the checkout for another.
Let's explore some of the most popular grocery chains in Ireland and what makes them stand out.
Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. Let's get started. If you're walking between Dublin Castle and the South Great George's Street Cafe strip, you'll likely pass a specific SPAR that sits right on the pedestrian flow. While it might look like a typical convenience stop, this location is one of the only stores on this corridor that combines 24/7 hours, a full Insomnia Cafe counter, table seating, and TFI Leap visitor card sales under one roof. For a tourist doing a packed day out, it serves as a genuine one-stop shop to grab a coffee, pick up your transport card, and take a quick rest. The food here goes beyond the standard grab-and-go fare, with a deli section that serves as the main draw. Rolls and wraps are made to order from a wide selection, generally priced between €5 and €6.75, about $5.40 to $7.30 USD, while the Insomnia counter adds fresh baked goods and pastries. Customer service frequently receives high praise, particularly during evening shifts, with staff members like Paola being noted for their warm, patient, and professional assistance at the counter. Just keep in mind that if you plan to sit in their dining area, the baked goods are served in paper bags rather than on plates, and the store radio can be a bit uncomfortably loud. However, there is one consistent issue independent shoppers have flagged regarding this SPAR: pricing transparency. The same item can sometimes cost a different amount on different visits, with a standard wrap charged at €5 one day and €6.50 the next, with no menu changes. This pattern points to labeling and staff training issues rather than anything systematic, so it is highly recommended to always check your receipt before leaving the till. Despite this hiccup, for anyone needing a leap card, a late-night bite, or a reliable deli lunch in the heart of Dublin too, this SPAR remains a highly convenient option.
Moving into the mid-tier of Irish grocery retail, Supervalu is one of Ireland's largest supermarket chains with over 220 stores. Unlike big international brands, each Supervalu is independently owned at the local level, meaning the experience can vary noticeably from branch to branch. The Supervalu Mary's on Athlone Road is a prime example of the chain at its best, offering a relaxed shopping experience with free parking that makes it incredibly easy for customers to get in and out without fighting town center traffic. This particular branch truly shines in its fresh food departments, punching well above what you'd expect from a regional supermarket. The bakery is consistently praised for producing some of the best bread locally, with a standard in-store baked loaf running around €1.80 to €2.50, about $1.95 to $2.70 US. Additionally, the imported cold cuts and fresh meat counter offer continental deli meats and cured cuts that are genuinely hard to source elsewhere in the Athlone area. Most staff across the store are known for being exceptionally polite and professional, making the weekly grocery run an enjoyable chore. Despite its strong points, shoppers should be aware of a few recurring operational quirks before making the trip. Transparency at the hot food counter can be frustrating, as items like cake slices are not always visibly priced, forcing customers to ask at the main till. Furthermore, the store leans heavily on self-service checkouts, meaning staff tills are rarely open unless large queues build up, which can be difficult for families with full trolleys. Finally, it is worth noting a past public report regarding a one-time hygiene concern at the deli, though overall store cleanliness remains highly rated. For shoppers seeking premium local meats and incredible bakery items, Supervalu remains a fantastic community staple.
For those seeking a premium, curated grocery experience in Dublin city centre, Fresh operates as an upscale food market concept that many compare to a localized version of Whole Foods. Sitting firmly at the premium end of Dublin retail, it isn't designed for a budget family weekly shop, but rather for city dwellers who want exceptionally sourced food without a long journey. The Grand Canal Square branch perfectly encapsulates this vibe, offering a proper butcher counter, gourmet grocery imports, and a truly impressive hot food and salad bar. The ready-to-eat options here are the main attraction, With a rotating selection of hot dishes and self-assembly salads priced around €2.50 to €3.50 per 100 grams, about $2.70 to $3.80. Inside the store, you will also find an offbeat donut co-counter, serving up creative, artisan donuts like Ferrero Rocher and creme egg flavors for about €3.50 to €4.50, $3.80 to $4.85 each. Paired with proper cafe standard coffee and a carefully selected wine and beer aisle, Fresh provides everything you need for a high-quality lunch that you can take right outside to enjoy by the beautiful, well-maintained Grand Canal. However, the premium price tag does come with a few notable drawbacks that regular visitors frequently point out. The most specific issue is the store's ventilation. The smell of deep-fried food from the deli tends to circulate and settle into clothing, which is something to consider if you are heading straight to a business meeting. Additionally, shoppers have reported frustrations with mislabeled promotional prices at the till and occasionally brusque staff responses when payment systems or pricing disputes arise. If you can avoid the chaotic lunch rush between noon and 2 p.m., Fresh remains an excellent destination for gourmet ingredients and elevated grab-and-go meals.
Stepping into Dunnes stores offers an experience genuinely unusual in Irish retail, as it seamlessly combines quality groceries, clothing, and homeware under one roof, much like a blend of John Lewis and Waitrose. With over 130 stores, Dunnes sits in the mid to premium tier of grocery retail, earning immense loyalty through its excellent own-brand products and a highly rewarding mobile app. If you are shopping here, downloading the Dunnes app is essential, as it frequently features a highly popular spend €5 to unlock a €25 return voucher deal that makes family grocery runs incredibly cost-effective. The large format Athlone branch spans multiple floors, ensuring that everything from fresh fish and deli food to bedding and drapery is available in one building. Savvy shoppers always make their first stop the reductions section, which consistently offers the best value per pound in the store across both food and non-food items. The fresh fish counter is another massive draw, frequently running an app-exclusive 3 for €10 deal, about $3.60 USD per item, on quality cuts like hake with lemon. Beyond the products, specific staff members like Sarah at the deli and Richard in the homeware department have built phenomenal reputations for their accommodating, warm, and highly efficient customer service. While Dunnes offers incredible variety and quality, the shop floor experience can sometimes feel a bit strained during peak hours. The most prominent issue is floor staff availability. Those who are present are frequently bogged down with heavy restocking, leaving large stock trolleys blocking the aisles and making navigation difficult for shoppers. Furthermore, customers have noted that the general staff can appear visibly stressed under pressure, and the checkout experience can sometimes be inconsistent, lacking the warmth found in the specialized departments. Nevertheless, for those looking to conquer their grocery, clothing, and household shopping in a single trip, Dunnes Stores is a formidable retail powerhouse.
Rounding out the Irish grocery landscape is Lidl, a German discount supermarket chain that has completely reshaped how households budget their weekly shop. Operating on a deliberately limited core range of around 2,000 lines, Lidl keeps overheads low and inventory moving fast, resulting in a standard weekly basket that is typically 20 to 35% cheaper than mid-tier competitors. The Athlone Dublin Road location delivers perfectly on this promise, offering plentiful free parking and an intuitive layout that makes it a favorite for budget-conscious families. A major highlight of any Lidl visit is their in-store bakery, which follows strict German baking standards to produce fresh, high-quality breads and pastries throughout the day. Their croissants, priced incredibly low at 50 euro cents to 1.20 euro, about 55 cents to $1.30 USD, are frequently highlighted as absolute standouts. Beyond the food, Lidl is famous for its non-food middle aisle, a rotating weekly selection of everything from power tools to ski gear that has developed a massive cult following. To maximize savings, regular shoppers swear by the Lidl Plus app, which layers personalized coupons and weekly deals on top of already rock-bottom shelf prices. While the savings are undeniably fantastic, the discount model does come with a few compromises in service and product range. Customers have occasionally clashed with management over unapplied promotional prices at the tills, and while staff members like Abby are praised for their exceptional warmth, other checkout experiences can feel rushed and impersonal as cashiers scan items at lightning speed. Additionally, health-conscious shoppers should carefully read the labels on Lidl's processed meats and ready meals, as they sometimes contain extra preservatives compared to fresh equivalents. Even with these quirks, Lidl remains an unbeatable destination for incredible value and reliable fresh produce.
So, there you have it, an in-depth look at Ireland's varied grocery retail landscape. Each store offers a unique slice of the Irish shopping experience, whether you're hunting for middle aisle bargains at Lidl or enjoying a premium artisan donut by the canal from Fresh. These stores are more than just places to shop, they're integral parts of the local culture and daily routine.
Have you visited any of these stores? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell for more travel tips and shopping guides.
Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.